Hi, baby.
Here we go, guys.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Pascale.
And Mo.
Art of Adventure.
Back at you.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yes, indeed.
This one might sound like the beginning of a dating app, right?
Huh.
Do you like long paddles?
I do.
What about crystal clear springs?
I do.
What about hidden springs?
I do.
We got the date for you. Yes. Oh boy, do I get excited about this spot. I'm talking about Seven Sisters Springs on the Chassahowitzka River in Homosassa, Florida. This place is awesome. The adventure starts right away because you can't just park and walk up to Seven Sisters. You have to park at the Chassahowitzka River Campground, use their boat ramp, and paddle over. It's an easy paddle, just a few hundred yards, and if you don't have your own kayak or stand-up paddle, you can rent one right there at the campground store. They cost between $30 and $45 for the whole day. Now, here's what makes Seven Sisters so unique and really, really fun. There are a handful of different swim-throughs. Holes punched through the limestone because of years and years of water flow create these amazing water tunnels.
What's up, guys? I'm Cracker Bob. We're about to tear stuff up.
One of the locals, Cracker Bob, showed us it was possible to swim through. And you know I had to give it a go. Yay! Was that fun?
That was awesome.
That's cool.
How was that, Liz?
That's cool. I want to go through with the GoPro.
Okay.
I had so much fun swimming from one opening to another. Check out this one. You can see my booty get hung up on the rocks. I was trying not to laugh. Too funny. Pro tip, some tunnels are wide enough to swim through, and some not so much. So be careful and use good judgment. Swim to your capabilities, know your limits. The longest tunnel's probably about 10 feet long.
All right, here we go, guys. We gone.
If you don't want to try the swim throughs, no worries. There's plenty of room for snorkeling and splashing around. Keep in mind the river levels do change. At times, the area around the spring can be quite shallow. Pro tip, bring some water shoes for navigating between the exposed limestone and the shallow sandbars. Low water levels around the edge of the spring make it easy to stash your kayak while you swim. Seven Sisters is just the beginning. There are at least 8 different springs that feed the Chassahowitzka River, also known as the Chaz. From the boat ramp, the Chaz flows 5.5 miles before hitting the Gulf of Mexico. The paddle can be much longer because of all the creeks that wind off the main river. One of the most popular and scenic is Baird Creek. Baird is on the south side of the Chaz, or the left side if you're headed toward the Gulf. It's about a half mile from the boat launch, or the second creek entrance on your left.
Hi, baby.
Pro tip, wear bug spray. You'll paddle through the narrow creek about a mile, and depending on water levels, you may even have to get out and drag your boat a little. It will all be worth it when you come to a beautiful springhead at the end of Baird Creek, known as the Crack. It's named after this deep crevice that stretches across the spring. The Crack is a pretty cool little swimming hole, complete with rope swing. You can only get here by boat, but expect to share this place if you come in the summer or on the weekend. If you paddle here in the off season, you have a much better chance of catching it solo. Here are some more pro tips for the Chaz River and Seven Sisters. Keep your eyes open for wildlife. The Chaz is part of the Great Florida Birding and Wildlife Trail. There are more than 250 species of birds here. On any given day, you can see alligators, manatees, otters, deer, and of course, lots and lots of different fish. It's free to use the boat launch at the Chassahowitzka River Campground, but you do have to pay $5 if you want to park after you launch. I suggest you do. It's always best to reserve your kayak and canoe ahead of time online if you need a rental. I'll drop a link in the description. There's snacks at the store near the boat ramp, but pack a picnic. Don't forget to bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and bug spray. Friendly reminder, it is Florida and we do have storms, so it's always good to call ahead to make sure the spring you want is open and the amenities you need are available. And if you want some bonus adventures, we got you covered. Crystal River is only 15 miles away. I'm talking manatees, river bikes, all kinds of cool
alpacas.
stuff. And alpacas.
Yeah.
There's a free alpaca farm, and we got links to all those videos down in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button.
Do us a favor.
Go ahead and subscribe.
Please.
You're already there.
Come on.
We want our experiences to help make your next adventure epic.
That's true.
That's what Art of Adventure is all about.
That's why we're here.
All that's left for you to do, go get it.
Just go get it.
Go get it, y'all.
Just go get in the car and go get it. Come on.
See you out there.